We live in suburbia in a house at the bottom of a hill, so it gets very windy here. We call this Windy Bottom. Hello, it's me, Christy, and I am from Windy Bottom Gardens, and I am doing a backyard rehab. My backyard is really not in good shape, and the first thing that I need to do is I need to clean up all the trash and stuff that's in my backyard and start from fresh. So this plastic is trash. It needs to go in the trash can. Gotta pick it all up along with maybe some crabgrass. This is a kitty. Cranberry is her name. So I have a lot of these palm branches and they're too big to put in my green waste can, so I have to either cut them up or I have to do something else with them. And what I've decided to do with them is called a dead hedge. Now, to make a dead hedge, first you pick it up and then you put them in a stack. I'll show you. Look, there's a lot more sticks here too. These will look really nice on my dead hedge. And here it is. Here's my dead hedge. It looks kind of ugly now, but later on I'm going to plant some vining plants on it to cover it up, and it'll look beautiful, and it's a great ecosystem for bugs. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time at Windy Bottom Gardens.